So to nobody's surprise, but it is still disappointing nonetheless, Elon came out yesterday in their earnings call and said Hardware 3 cars are officially not going to be compatible with unsupervised FSD. This is kind of groundbreaking. I don't know why it's being so underplayed right now, but yes, it is confirmed in its full potential. Hardware 3 is not going to get you unsupervised full self-driving. They are going to offer retrofits. They're going to offer a light version, but everyone that spent thousands and thousands of dollars on their Hardware 3 cars, they're obsolete. This is very disappointing. It's one thing that Tesla has now really done over the course of the last couple of years. Oh, this version will be able to handle it. This is the one that's most capable, and this is the one you will be able to get all features for, only for the next iteration to roll out and unfortunately leave all the users behind. We've really been seeing signs of this over the last couple of updates where they're not getting all the features that version 14 has for FSD or just what the same newer Hardware 4 cars have over Hardware 3. It's the price of doing business. However, I do not like the way that Tesla is misleading customers here and always saying this is the version to do it, this is the version to do it, this is the version to do it. It's just not good business sense with the scale that Tesla now operates at. At the beginning, truly they might not have known exactly what was needed, but with all these iterations and all these in-year model builds, getting tweaks here, now getting, washer sprays put on the repeaters, the side repeater cameras, different heating elements now, something's got to give. They need to offer a better trade-in offer or really just refund the buyers at least a portion of their payments for those that bought FSD. Now, is that going to happen? No, we know they're going to offer some sort of elevated trade-in value, but this doesn't answer the question. This only gives Tesla more profits to go after rather than a car that's already having this equipment built in. All the hardware is in every Tesla car for FSD. So Tesla's not losing money. This is a subscription service for exactly that, a service. This isn't truly benefiting the consumer by offering a trade-in unless maybe 15-20% of the market does actually want a new vehicle, but the majority that have these Hardware 3 cars have had them for a while. They might be paid off or close to being paid off. They don't want a new car payment. They don't want to start over with a payment. So I don't think this is a great look. Again, unfortunately, it's not surprising, but this is misleading. As you know, on this channel, we like to be very upfront and forthcoming. We tell you how it is, better or worse. This is definitely one of the bad changes Tesla announced, although it was inevitable. Now, having said all that, Elon did say that Hardware 4 will be fully capable of unsupervised FSD. The problem is it really going to be able to fulfill that promise? We already know Hardware 5 is coming, possibly 6 is even being made now, or AI 5 and AI 6 as they rename everything. But why would they continue to work on these next versions so far ahead if Hardware 4 is going to do that same job? It just leaves a lot of concern and questions in the mind. Maybe they'll get a little pop here when they offer another trade-in like we talked about to get people to purchase a new vehicle. However, this is not a sustainable strategy in my opinion. I'm only one person. I want to know your guys' opinion too. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this announcement on the earnings call. There are going to be, like I said, a new V14 Lite. There will be a new V14 coming in the next couple of months. V15 is going to be coming this year probably at some point. There's a lot on the horizon. There's a lot of technology here in these Tesla vehicles that are amazing. However, you can't keep lying to your customer base. And that's basically what it is. You can't say one thing, flip the script a couple years later, and then rinse and repeat the same cycle. That is literally the definition of insanity. Same thing, expecting different results. Are we getting insane for believing these, lies, basically? I'm genuinely concerned. Let me know down below. I just wanted to let you know if you missed this, what was going on. If you have a Hardware 3 vehicle, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.